Hi class, in this lab we're going to be using the Hydraflow Express extension in Civil 3D. We can open this extension by opening Civil 3D, clicking on the Analyze tab and the Design dropdown. Here we can see we have 4 extensions. We have Stormwater, Hydrographs, Express, and Stage Storage. In this lab, we'll use the Express extension, so we can click and launch Express. The Hydraflow Express extension will open in a new window, and we'll do a quick tour of the software and then look at an example. Across the top of the screen, we have a series of tabs for the different designs we might be working on. We have culverts, channels, inlets, hydrology, and weirs. In today's lab, we're designing a channel, so let's land on the Channel tab. Within this tab, we have 6 different channel configuration options. We have rectangular, triangular, trapezoidal, gutter, circular, and a user-defined option, which allows us to design a custom cross-section of our channel. For each channel, we have a plot of the cross-section and a performance curve that plots the depth of flow against the flow rate for that channel design. Let's look at a quick example of how we can input data. Here, I'll design a triangular channel. Let's say our channel has 3:1 side slope on the left side and 4:1 on the right side. In the side slope row, we can enter 3 and then 4. The total depth will be 500 millimeters and an invert at 202.75 meters. The program requires an invert above 0 meters. So if an invert isn't given in the problem, we can assume some invert. And here entering 100 meters as the invert is an easy way to go about that. We'll say we have a slope of 0.5% and we enter that value as a percentage, so 0.5. And we can enter a Manning's roughness coefficient of n equal to 0.013. We can click run and then we can read our results. We see our plot updates to show the cross-section as we designed it, and the chart at the bottom of the screen populates with data. Here, for different depths of flow D, we can see the flow Q in meter cubed per second, area in square meters, velocity in meters per second, the wetted perimeter WP in meters, the critical depth YC in meters, the top width in meters, and the energy grade line, which is the depth plus the velocity head, also measured in meters. We can click on the different depths and have the diagram update to show that depth. Thank you for watching this video.